those houses over there. Look at that beauty. Look at that peeler. Man, what a fantastic day of surfing. There's like 3 people in the water. And when I was out there, there might have been maybe 8 people. What a great spot. This spot never fires like this. Like, it takes a bigger swell to get this spot going. Ah, look at that. Lobster trap. Look at that out there. That's absolutely firing. No one out there riding it. Crazy. They're just beautiful peelers. Except for the offshore wind is really strong. It's blowing probably 25 kilometers an hour. Trying to get down the face of the wave sometimes can be interesting. The people that own these homes, like, that home's been there forever. Okay, so it looks like there's still 4 people out there. All right, I've parked myself on a rock. Let's see if we can catch anyone riding anything. Look at that, almost a little mini barrel. All right, let's see, let's zoom back out here. Oh, okay, someone's going for it. Come on, dig. Oh no. Oh no. But I had a blast on the retro single fin today and the paddleboard. Caught a couple really nice waves. All right, I'm getting sunburned. The wind is cross shore. You can almost get a little tube, almost. I almost got into one and then the lip hit me and then knocked me off. But still. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. There's someone. Yes. Oh, okay. Someone's going. Someone's going. Dig, 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 dig. No. Look at that. Oh, there. Oh, someone got it. Come on, bottom turn. Come on, top. Oh, almost like a mini barrel. Look at her go. Yeah. That's not bad. That's like wave of the day. At least wave of the day caught on camera. I bet you she's pretty happy. Yep, trim it out. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Bottom turn. Oh, up off the lip. And there she's trying to make her way back out. Oh, look at that. Oh, that one ate a few people. I'm pretty knackered because I surfed for like 3 hours. I paddleboarded for an hour and then surfed for 2. I'm going to come back tomorrow morning and see what it's like, but the swell is supposed to die down and it's going to taper off very quickly. So I'll check back in the morning. Oh, there's someone going for it. Come on, a little more. Oh, it's that offshore wind. I think, oh, there we go. Oh, closed out. Go, 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 go. Oh. Paddle, 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 paddle. Oh, they're doing a double paddle. Oh, trimming. Oh, yeah. The one in the pink swim cap. Oh, nice. Saved it. Someone go for it. Get on the shoulder. Nice. Come on, top turn. Oh. Well, everyone's having fun. I think I'm going to pack it in. That was a great day of surfing. Let's check back tomorrow. So this is the next morning. I went to a different spot. This place is absolutely firing. There are some absolute bombs coming in at this spot. I was out earlier and I caught a few, although I'm still pretty tired from yesterday. But anyways, here's a little footage of what it's like.